Yeah, turn me up though. Yeah, come on. Anyway, 1, 2, what you gonna do? 2, 3, what it's gonna be? Come on now, get. Come on now, let me hear. Yeah. Yo, provoke emotions when I'm boasting and bragging. Just imagine gun clapping, linguistic assassin, about to shake the world up, slam it to the flow bus. You heard of us, real niggas, we blow the world up, flip off the planet. Take it for granted when I manage with that home team advantage, automatic rhyme bandit, about to hand it, cause you cram to understand it. When I land it, open-handed, I'm a transatlantic slave with that old black magic. Got the habit from the demo to the master. Some brothers try to strike, but like the fire of disaster, I'm the chainsaw massacre. Rain, raw, acid dust. Downshift, pump your brakes, ease off the clutch. We fuck it up when we can duck, load your pistol up, put this verbal dick in your mouth until I bust a nut. And let this jam tell you who the fuck I am. Original black man from Nubalali, Sudan. It's like that, y'all. So go ahead and get up. This is the future sound. Without further ado,
You don't see us, but we see you.
either you're here to teach or you're here to be taught. If you don't plan to get away, then you plan to get caught. I was born to win, that's why I run, don't walk. South Central MC, what the fuck you thought?
I set my first verse up, similar to a stakeout. The minute that they break out, they send Jake out. But I'm super laxative and I don't need no practice, kid. You're probably wondering what track this is.
So carry on with that twisted ass street rap. I ride for peace, but I will contradict that and bitch slap any rapper that act.